Science is investigating stuff and asking questions.
Science is a lot of stuff. It's electricity, energy, motion.
Science is important stuff.
Science is interesting. It's a fun thing to do in school. Science is a way to learn more about the planet we live on. If there was no science, then there's going to be no computers or light bulbs and other stuff. If people didn't care about science, it wouldn't be a really good world.
Science is everywhere.
Today, guys, we're going to talk about what is energy. Well, the best part about teaching science is watching the kids get excited about hands-on activities. So what are you noticing about it? I really enjoyed the interactive science in that the kids had some questions already set for them, but they could also go through those investigations and find those answers for themselves.
One form of energy is light.
The vocabulary cards were a great plus. The words that were included in this text were some high-level words. For the kids to be able to play the vocabulary game, the matching game, they were able to get those vocabulary words ingrained and be able to use them more freely during the assignments that they had.
Try this. Energy that's stored in the object. Which one was it?
Well, I know the kids really appreciated having their own textbook. That was one of the things they all said they liked the best about it. Being able to write their own notes and keep track of their own thinking within the textbook was really a plus for them. How many of you like this idea of being able to write in your textbook?
I like interactive science because I can write in my book. You have your own thinking in it, and you get to look at things that you don't remember. Just easy. You don't lose anything.
Interactive science uses the 5E model. That's engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. To be good scientists, ladies and gentlemen, you've got to document your thinking. The engagement piece that is at the beginning of each of the chapters or the sections allows the kids to get a good visual of what it is that this unit is going to be teaching them. Really asks them to activate that prior knowledge so that they can attach that to the new learning. The investigations help them to explore some of the ideas that were set forth in the engagement. The rest of the piece does a great job of explaining. Each section has really specific examples for each of the teaching points and continues to elaborate on that through the rest of the unit, and then helps at the very end with the got it and evaluates how the kids understand what it is that you just taught them about. So it really adds itself to modern teaching today and what it is the principals are looking for and the way kids learn. The labs included in interactive science were very engaging. I just love this whole unit with energy, with the wind-up toys, the kids being able to see how kinetic energy works and how they can change that energy, being able to rub their hands together and notice that they can create thermal energy, looking at how light energy works, as well as a fun mood ring. They were able to put it on their fingers and investigate the different colors that they could make that mood ring have. They were able to make some really good connections with how thermal energy could change the chemical makeup of that ring. It was very exciting for the students. What's causing it to move?
Sound wave. How did the energy cause the changes you observed? When you talk about it, it vibrates.
My hope for my students is that they'll continue to be thinkers and doers, that they'll continue to ask those hard questions and demand answers, or go out and find the answers themselves, solve the problems that they see in their world. I think that science is a huge key to that, and interactive science is a great way for kids to learn how to answer those tough questions.
So, what is science?
life.